Logan here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina with Coastal Carolina Yacht Sales, and today I'm excited to show you Pursuit's newest dual console, the DC 306. Going to go over basic specs, nice features, and popular options to see if this might be the right boat for you. So let's go ahead, dive on in. So Pursuit took what they learned of their very popular 295 and came out with this model. It is a 31-foot 11-inch long boat length overall. It's got a 9-foot 11-inch beam. Of course, you see Pursuit's signature sharp V entry leading on back to a 21-degree dead rise. Down here you're going to see one of the first options here, bow thruster. Then if we look up here, we're going to see the through-hull windlass anchor. Stepping on back, you're going to see Pursuit's signature look on their dual consoles, standard hard top and glass that goes all the way up to the top. And right there on top, you're going to see this does have the optional outriggers. This is powered by twin Yamaha 300 V6 4.2 liter offshore engines, and they are both digital on the engine side and integrated steering that is digital as well. These engines are going to provide about 28 mile-an-hour cruise, top end just a hair over 52 mile an hour. We're going to see nice large trim tabs here and a 224-gallon fuel tank. As we step on board, we're going to see our recessed ladder here. And notice how large these swim platforms are, makes boarding very easy, but also adds some protection to the engine because they come out so far. But you can see you can easily access from either side, and I always love Pursuit's American-made sticker. Walking through this transom door, we're going to see this aft cockpit is made to both entertain and fish. So first we're going to take a look at the fishing features. Rod holder, cup holder. We're going to see some entertainment features sprinkled in here on this as well. Rod holders here on the side. Up top we got two spreader lights. Here on the starboard, again, more rod holders. Swinging on here, nice deep live well, does go down to the floor. Nice little cutting board. The first of a few coolers actually here on this boat. Rod storage here behind the transom. And look at this little nifty storage here for our tackle. We do have in-floor storage for our fish. And then of course, our tuna door. Going on more of the entertainment side, we know the tuna door also makes boarding and unboarding there on the starboard side much easier. Raw water, freshwater wash down, whether you're hosing down fish scales or sand from the beach. Here we're going to see nice little sink, Korean countertop, and more storage below. That's going to be a continual theme here on this boat, is plenty of storage. This one does have the Performance Stereo Package JL audio. Swiveling on around, you can see with our seats out, plenty of seating here in the aft, including this aft jump seat and another cooler that we have our shore power cord in. Forgot to mention, this does have our pop-up ski pylon option, easy to pull up and easy to drop down. So those of you that like to work on the boat yourself or for your mechanic's sake, very easy village access. We're going to notice nice and clean down here. And this right here is a dedicated storage for your tuna door ladder. Right below our co-captain's chair, we have a fridge. Swinging on up and taking a look, extra wide chair, drop down armrests, flip up, flip down bolster. While we're here, we're going to swing on up and look at the hardtop. This does have our bomar hatches as well. Just nice and clean here. Sitting in a co-captain's chair, you're going to see great visibility just because the seat sits so high. Nice little glove box. And then we have this massive storage area. Remember what I said, storage everywhere on this boat. Storage on the side for your rods. And that actually goes all the way under your bow port side seat. Taking a look at our helm seat. Nice ergonomics, armrest, and a flip-up bolster. VHF control, cup holders for the captain. Nice laid out dash, dual Garmin screens. Here we're going to see our bow thruster, switches, throttle, trim tab controls. Beautiful stainless steel steering wheel with a suicide knob. And probably one of my favorite features, you're starting to see them more and more boats, a wireless phone charger holder, compass right and center, great visibility here for the captain. And another one of my favorite features, being a little bit shorter of a guy, here we have a fold down pedestal so you get better visibility. So let's say we're out on some rougher days. We can close this front center windshield, close the bow walk-through door, and turn on those windshield wipers so we have great visibility still and keeping everybody dry in the cockpit. Stepping on through the walk-through. Look how nice and tall that backrest is there. Armrest. Gonna notice wraparound bolsters here and grab handle. High gunnels. I would feel safe allowing my 1-year-old and 3-year-old to ride up here all day long. And look at that upholstery and stitching. Pursuit does do everything in-house. Again, speaking of storage, storage is key on this boat. They take full advantage of every place they can put a storage. There's your optional table leg here for the bow. That is going to go right there. And it will have a bow filler cushion. Deep storage here under our starboard. And there's a place there specifically for a 5-gallon cooler. And notice how it's finished. Again, another insulated cooler up here in the bow. Just look how nice and deep that is. Then we're going to take a look at our through hull windlass access. Again, beefy, easy access. Raw water and fresh water up here too. And this right here is a mount for our bow boarding bladder. Very unique on a boat of this size. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you like the content, and have fun out there in the water. Thanks.